The method of preparing some recipes is quite well understood despite not learning it from anyone. Probably the reason for this is having watched our grandmas, grandpas, or our mothers preparing the dish. Therefore, in this episode, we wish to present one such famous, memorable, tasty, and most importantly, a simple storable snack, thin Poha Chivda. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. To prepare thin Poha Chivda, let us start by heating about 2.5 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottomed and a large wok. Once the oil is a little hot, let us add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts. And now it is time to roast these groundnuts on a medium flame gently and with a lot of patience. It takes about 4 minutes for groundnuts to roast perfectly and to cook thoroughly. Therefore, please don't up the heat and hurry the process. Once these are done, let us transfer this to a bowl before roasting the next ingredient. And our next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of fried grams. Even this has to be roasted gently for about 2.5 minutes. When the fried grams that we are roasting gathers a beautiful golden hue, let us take them out and transfer them to a bowl. The next ingredient to roast is 30 grams of sliced dry coconut. It is very important to roast the added dry coconut gently and delicately on a low flame. It is very easy for these to get burnt if we lose our focus. So once they turn golden in color, let us transfer them to a bowl. We have roasted all the dry ingredients for chivda. Now it is time for the next step. So first, let us start by adding 5 finely chopped green chillies. After adding the green chillies, let us add 25 finely chopped garlic pods. We have to roast these together till the green chilli loses its color. Once it loses its color, the next main ingredient is 1 fistful of finely chopped curry leaves. Few things to keep in the mind after adding the curry leaves is to roast all these ingredients on a medium flame and to keep stirring it regularly. Please look at this, my dear friends. The added garlic has turned golden in color and the curry leaves have come out crunchy. So now it is time to add our main ingredient, and that is 250 grams of thin poha. Let us add the poha and roast it for a while till it gathers a beautiful fragrance along with the tempering. Once we have given all of this a good mix, it is time to add our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste and give it a good mix before adding our next important healthy dose of 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Let us add the dose of turmeric and again give this all a good mix. Something beautiful to note here is, though the color of turmeric is yellow, when the chivda is finally ready, it turns out to gather a beautiful green color. So after adding the turmeric, let us add all the roasted ingredients, and that is groundnuts, fried grams, and our sliced dry coconut. When we have brought all the ingredients together, it is time to turn off the flame and add our final ingredient, and that is 2 teaspoons of sugar. Once the sugar is incorporated thoroughly, all we need to do is to take this off the stove top. This is it, my dear friends. Simple, tasty, crunchy, delicious, and most importantly, a memorable dish, thin Poha Chivda, is ready. If you liked the episode, do click the like button and share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.